Hello guys, welcome to PPT Pathshala. So my topic are UPSC. UPSC full form are Union Public Service Commission. UPSC is the very difficult exam on India. They are considered by NTA. NTA full form National Test Agency. Let's start it. The Union Public Service Commission, commonly abbreviated as UPSC, is Indian Primary Central Recruiting Agency. It is responsible of appointments to be and examination for all Indian service and Group A as Group B of Central Service. History. The Royal Commission of the Superior Civil Service in the India was set up under of chairman of Lord Lee of Rem by the British government only 1923. The equal numbers of Indian and British members. The commission submitted its reports of 1924 recommending setting up of Public Service Commission. The Lee Commission provided of 40% of future interest should be British, 40% Indian directly required, and 20 Indians promoted from the provincial service. The lead of estimates of their first Public Service Commission of 1 October 1926 under the chairship of Sir Ross Barker, a mere limited advisory functions of generated the Public Service Commission, and the leaders of the freedom of movement considerably straits on the accept, which when then resulted on setting up of Federal Public Commission under the Government of India Act 1935. The Federal Public Service Commission became the Union Public Service Commission after independence. It was a constitutional status with under of Constitution of India on 26 January 1950. Process. The civil service examination is based on British ample service tests as well as the civil service test conducted by old Indian empires such as Maurya Empire and Mughal Empire. They are considered by the most difficult examination of India. A single attempt takes to complete years of preparation and 1 year before the prelims and 1 year from prelims or interview. In total, one seat actually exam for 32 hold from prelims till interview. On average, 90,000 to 10 lakh candidates apply every year, and the numbers of candidates sitting on the prelims examination is approximately 5,05,000. Result for the prelims of published in mid-August, while the final result of published in May of the next year. Stage. UPSC exam stage. Prelims examination hold in June every year. Results are until August. Stage 2 mains examination held to October every year. Result in announced in January. Personality test interview held in March. Final result usually announcement in May. Their training program of selected candidates usually in common sense of following September. Eligibility criteria. Nationally, candidate must be citizen of India. Candidate must be citizen of Nepal and a subject of Bhutan. Candidates must be Tibetan refugees who come to India before January 1, 1962. A selected permanently in India. Candidates must be person of Indian origin who has married from the Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, Myanmar, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Tajikistan, etc. countries are introduced films settling in India. And thanks, have a nice day.